Today, I'm going to show you how to attract video editing clients so they come directly to you so you can start getting editing jobs. So if you're already a good editor but you haven't figured out how to get clients, I'm going to show you my magnetic editor method. And this is the exact same strategy that I used to land my first video editing client on Instagram without any marketing, any sales, or any client acquisition skills. And the best part is that I'm going to be giving you this course for free. Alright, so here's what we're going to cover inside of this course. First, we're going to cover Instagram personal branding. Next, I will show you what type of content you should be making to attract potential clients. Third, I'm going to teach you how to use CTAs or call to actions properly within your content. Fourth, we are going to learn how to set up your profile properly to attract clients. And lastly, we're going to be automating your Instagram DMs by using AI to save you a bunch of time. So let's get into this course. I will be introducing you to an alternative method to getting your first video editing job as a freelancer by using the power of building your own personal brand on Instagram and setting yourself as an authority figure within your editing space. My name is Victor, and I have been growing my Instagram account from 0 followers to almost 50,000 followers within the past year. And in fact, I actually got my first video editing client as a beginner freelancer with no experience, basically by posting free content on the internet on Instagram. So as a video editor, why would you use Instagram? Well, Instagram is now a video focused platform, and content creators, business owners, entrepreneurs, communities, and all types of brands have to post content, especially Reels. And all of these people use Instagram Reels and personal branding to attract their customers to their products and services. Now, before we dive a little bit deeper into the actual process and the actual method, I want to give you a quick disclaimer, and there are pros and cons to using this method. First, let's go through some of the pros. All right, so the first one is that the leads are coming to you. The other method to getting video editing clients as a freelancer is doing cold outreach. You have to email content creators, you have to DM them through Instagram, Twitter, and there's nothing wrong with that. There's nothing wrong with that method. You can definitely get video editing clients by doing cold outreach. But the best thing about this method is that once you have everything set up, once you have your content system, once you have your foundation on your personal brand, you're going to be getting messages from content creators, business owners, a lot of people for your video editing services automatically. And in my opinion, that's one of the best benefits about this method. And number two, you become an authority figure. Once you put yourself on the internet and you start posting free content about your editing skills, you automatically become an authority figure. People are going to automatically assume that you know more about editing than they do. So automatically, you will become an authority figure in their eyes. Number three, this builds trust with viewers. By consistently putting out your content, by consistently putting out value on the internet for other people, you build trust with viewers. Number four, you reach thousands of people for free. One of the other benefits about this Instagram branding method is that you can easily reach 1,000 people just on one short form video. Doing short form content as a video editor is a faster way to getting more views and getting more reach on your videos. And your videos are basically acting as your portfolio. Each little piece of content is one piece of your portfolio. Number five, this displays your work for profile discovery. Whenever somebody likes your video and they're engaging with the video, they really like your video, they're going to most likely click on your profile. And once they click on your profile, they're going to be able to see what you do, and they're going to be able to see that you sell video editing services. So this is just a great way to get people aware, a lot of people aware, that you sell video editing services online. Number six, it can make selling your services a little bit easier. Now, believe it or not, I did not do any type of sales call to get my first 2 video editing clients as a beginner freelancer. I closed them all through the DMs. And yeah, once you put yourself on the internet as an authority figure, it can definitely make selling your services, especially if you have your offer dialed in, it can make selling your services way easier. Number 7 is the networking opportunities. You're going to be able to network with other editors, with other content creators, other business owners, entrepreneurs, and the sky is the limit on that. I have met so many cool people by simply putting myself on the internet. So let's dive a little bit deep into the cons. So the first con is that it can take time to gain reach, engagement, and views. The second one is that you have to stay consistent with posting. And the third one is that it can be super unmotivating if you're not seeing any types of results. Now, even with those cons, there's no risk, but potentially high rewards. The first question that you get asked, most likely as a video editor, is do you have a portfolio? If you don't have a portfolio, you need to create a portfolio. And building your Instagram page with content will act as your portfolio, even if you don't have a website. You do not need a lot of followers or views to attract clients. And if you're already in the process of editing and creating your own portfolio, you might as well post it on Instagram. Now, this is going to be the most important thing about this introduction, but posting consistently and improving your skills as an editor is the key to making this process work, to making this method work. And building your own platform will take time and effort. You need to be one of the editors that is constantly improving their skills and is constantly improving themselves as a professional. And the most important thing is that you have to stay consistent with posting, because if you stay consistent with posting, you're gonna exactly on Instagram what works, what doesn't work, and you'll find ways to improve your content. And that way you can be able to get that reach and close the clients. But this will take time and this will take effort. But in the long run, the rewards are high for this method. All right, so that was it for this introduction. And I hope you got a lot of value from this. In the next video, I'm gonna be showing you what type of content you can start posting on Instagram. So I'll see you there. All right, welcome back everybody. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you what type of content you should be making as a video editor for Instagram. And I did not just get these recommendations from just anywhere. These are based off of patterns that I've seen on Instagram and videos that I've seen perform well for video editors like myself and for other video editors on Instagram. So the first example are before and after edits. So basically with this type of style content, you want to showcase your video editing skills. And basically what you're going to do is just have a before and after video, right? In the same type of content. You're going to edit the video yourself. You're going to make it better. You're going to enhance the video with your editing. And the whole point of this type of content is to showcase your editing skills to your viewers. All right, so for the second style video, you can do popular editing style recreations. So there's a lot of editing styles that are very popular. For example, there's a whole trend of Inmangazi editing online right now. And a lot of entrepreneurs, business owners, they want to recreate that same editing style within their own videos. And basically with this type of content, it's almost the same as the before and after edit. But basically you'll just have an original video of that content creator. So for example, right here, I have Dan Koe and I have his version right here on the left. And then here's my version that I recreated, and I try to change things up a little bit, put my own twist on it, and I just put it right here in the same video. And then for this example right here, I think this video so far has gotten me 70,000 views, and I put his original version, and then I recreated that same style of video, and I just put it right here on the bottom. And yeah, you just want to add your own unique spin, your own unique twist. You want to make it unique in your own way. On Instagram, people love novelty, and they like to look at new stuff. So let's go into the next example. I did this style of editing for a while. This is the style of editing that helped me grow my Instagram account to 40,000 followers. And it was inspirational motion design videos. This style of video is more targeted towards entrepreneurs or, motivational. There's like a whole motivational niche on Instagram. And these types of videos work for that niche. And it's basically just inspirational animated videos. But yeah, and they're very short. They're like 5 to 6-7 seconds, sometimes 4 seconds. They're very short videos. The next type of content that you can create is viral podcast clips. The reason these types of videos do well is because famous people or content creators that are very famous, they are instantly way more recognizable to more people. You can see what type of podcast clips have gone viral for them. And then all you have to do is just take the original podcast clips, trim it down, and then just put your own editing into it and just showcase it off as an art piece. All right, so this is another example of a type of video that you can do is CapCut versus After Effects. In the editing space, people like to compare and contrast CapCut and After Effects. So you can take a style of someone's edit on CapCut and then you can recreate it within After Effects. Or if you see like a type of animation or a type of video done within After Effects and you want to recreate it yourself on CapCut, you can definitely do that. And then all you have to do is showcase it off like this. Just like CapCut, After Effects. Okay, so this is the next example, which is $1 edits versus X amount of dollar edits. So basically, you just want to showcase off the impact of your editing and just showcase why your editing is valuable. And yeah, that was it for this section of the course. In the next video, I'm going to be showing you how to establish your call to actions correctly within your content and give you the best tips for engagement after you're done creating your content. So I'll see y'all there. Welcome back, everybody. For this part of the course, I'll be introducing to you what CTAs are and showing you exactly how you can actually increase your engagement on Instagram. If you guys don't know what a CTA is, basically a CTA stands for a call to action. And the whole purpose of a CTA is to encourage your viewer to do something after watching your video, whether it's to comment, DM you, or take any other specific action. If you've ever been on Instagram and somebody is a fitness coach and they're saying something like, okay, they're giving you advice on how to lose weight, right? And then towards the end of the video, they say something like, if you want my free guide to lose your first 10 pounds within a month, comment down below this keyword, like for example, comment down below athlete, and I will send it to you for free. That was a CTA right there. The comment down below. That content creator was telling people to do something, which is to comment down below on his videos to get that free guide. And this is the most important part right here. A CTA makes people aware that you sell editing services. So as a video editor, CTAs will make people aware that you sell video editing services. As an editor, if you're posting content, you can't just post content and expect people to know that you sell video editing services. You have to tell people, you have to make people aware that you sell video editing services. And we do this by using CTAs. So let me give you an example. For this video, I put day 1 of fixing your short form content. And this is the CTA right here. Comment below or comment fix and I'll fix your video. So I'm telling people, if you want me to fix your video, just comment down below this keyword and I'll fix your video. And basically whoever is interested in that, they're going to comment down below fix. And also in the caption, I put comment down below fix and I will re-edit your video if I see fit. For this example, on the right, I put who did it better. I asked a question to my viewers, who did it better, right? That's somewhat of a CTA. So I'm telling people to comment down below who did it better. I'm asking for their opinion. Whose editing was better, the one on the left or the one on the right? And I also put right here, if you're a content creator or online business owner, DM me content for video editing services for your personal brand. Why are these comment CTAs so important? And it's because we want engagement in our videos. So the creators who capture and hold attention and create engagement in the form of comments, shares, likes in their videos will have high performing content. So you need to use those comment CTAs to encourage people to comment. And why is this important? This is the key right here. More comments equals more eyes on your video. Because Instagram is seeing that people are commenting, they're sharing your video, it's gonna get your video and it's going to send it off to more people's feeds on Instagram for more reach. If you can increase the engagements, and we do that by using comment CTAs, you will get more reach and more eyes on your video. So because we want to create more engagement in our Instagram videos, these are a few things that you can implement to automatically increase your engagement and get you more views within your short form content as a video editor. So number 1 are service CTAs. So you tell your viewer to comment down below a keyword for those interested in your video editing services. So here's a quick example. If you're an online entrepreneur, comment down below supercharge if you'd like to grow your personal brand with our high quality retention-based videos. And if you have your offer dialed in, you can make this super specific. That's key. Making your CTA super specific. You don't want to make it too broad. You want to make it very specific. That's what makes good call to actions. Number two, the second thing that you can do to increase your engagement in your short form content is to offer free value. And that free value can be in the form of giving away your project files, creating lead magnets for potential customers to attract and capture their interest in your service. If you're giving away your project files as a video editor to other video editors, those project files are of value. They're very valuable to them. Whatever video editor wants those project files, they're going to comment down below on your video. And because you're getting those comments, that's increasing your engagement, and that will boost your views within your video. In another part of the course, I'm going to be showing you how you can use a software like ManyChat to give away your project files so you can have that increased engagement within your videos. And by using something like ManyChat, it will be automatic and you won't have to send your project files to thousands of people who comment on your videos. It's going to be automatic. For the last part of the course, I'm going to be explaining to you how you can optimize and set up your profile correctly as a video editor. So I'll see you there. In this section, I'm going to be teaching you how to set up your profile correctly on Instagram and how to optimize your profile so you can funnel your potential clients right into your editing services. The way your bio is structured and the words that you have within your bio are going to be very important, because when somebody watches your video and they go directly into your profile to see who you are, what you do, you need to have all of the words optimized. So this is a simple bio structure that you can use for your profile. So number one, just have a name and then you want to have a keyword. So for your name, just type in your name, or you can also have your own brand name followed by a keyword, something like video editor, content specialist, content creator, or motion designer. And then for the second line in your bio, it's going to describe what you do. You want them to know exactly what you do and why you post content. So this helps people identify with what you post and how your content can benefit them. And the third line in your bio should be a call to action, which is the most important thing about having your profile set up properly. For example, it could be you can tell people to DM you a keyword like content or edits. This way, people who view your profile will know that you offer video editing services, even if you don't have a website. All right, so this is the first example of how you can set up your bio correctly on Instagram. And if you guys want to see more examples, just look up a video editor, a content creator, or a freelancer within your niche, and you'll have more examples to see what they're doing. And yeah, so this is my profile. And I have changed this a lot within the past year, but basically just keep it simple and just showcase who you are, what you do, and just have a call to action at the end, which is most important. Mine's a little different from the bio structure that I gave, but basically I just have my name, and then I used to have a keyword right here, but basically the first line is showcasing off what I do. So for example, I teach freelancers and content creators editing. And then my second line is going to be a call to action. So need an editor, DM me content. And then my third line is also a CTA. And this is just a CTA so people can click the link in my bio so they can get free assets, the free products that I have on my bio. So free content goodies. And for the second example, this is an animation studio that has built a brand on Instagram by posting motion design videos, and they have offers offering their own video editing services for their types of videos. They don't show their face at all. And as a video editor, you do not have to show your face within the content at all. So for this example, their bio is structured like this. So EPTA, which is their brand name, animation studio, which is the keyword. And then for the first line, it's social media animations for brands and creators. That's what they do. And then for their second line, it's DMS content to work with us. And then over here, the last line is a second call to action, which is their portfolio. And this is great because when somebody is discovering one of their pieces of content on social media, on Instagram, and they visit their profile, they're going to be able to see, okay, so who are they? They're EPTA, they're an animation studio. What do? They do social media animations for brands and creators. And then they tell the viewer or whoever's viewing their profile, DM us content to work with us. And here's our portfolio if you guys want to check it out. And here's the link to our portfolio. And one final tip to setting up your profile correctly is if you're going to be showing your face on your profile picture, just make sure it's well lit. Just make sure you can see your face completely. You do not have to copy me exactly like this, but as long as it shows your face in a professional manner, you will be good. And then if you don't want to show your face, if you want to create a brand instead of just putting yourself as an individual freelancer and you want to create a brand, just make sure you have a nice logo that demonstrates your brand. And just having a proper profile picture is going to establish yourself as a professional, and it's going to show to viewers or potential clients that you care about what you're doing, and it just makes you look like a professional. All right, so for the next part of the course, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to use ManyChat so you can create that engagement within your videos. So I'll see you guys there. Welcome everybody. For this section, I'm going to be teaching you a little bit more about what ManyChat is and how we can use ManyChat for marketing purposes and how we can use ManyChat to grow on Instagram. So basically what ManyChat is a software that you can integrate within Instagram, and basically you can set up automations. So first, let me give you a quick example of an automation that I have set up within my content that has helped one of my videos get 70,000 views within, I believe I posted it a week ago. To set up your profile, you will have to connect your Facebook with Instagram, and then you have to connect Instagram with ManyChat. But once you have this set up, you will be able to do automations like this. So for example, in this post, when someone comments the keyword like Iman, and within the video, I told people comment down Iman and I will send you the project files for free. So when someone comments down below that keyword, it's going to automatically send them this DM right here. And you can also edit and you can also attach a link within that reply in the DM. So when someone comments the word Iman, they're going to be sent this. Hi, thanks for commenting. Here's the link to watch the free tutorial along with the project files. And then you can also attach the link here. You can post your Google Drive link, or you can do it however you like. Let's create a new automation. Okay, so we'll go over here to new automation. And then what we're looking for is right here, comments. Yeah, convert your Instagram comments into sales. So just click on this and then just set up a template. Okay, just delete this. Okay, so let's click on this and then click right here. So let's say, for example, on this video that I posted a couple of days ago, I wanted to give away the project files for free. Just select this post. You can also select next post, or you can also do on all your posts on Instagram. For now, let's just do this one specific post. So let's hit continue. And then I believe let's do like a simple keyword. So let's do like edits or something. Then just put save. Okay. And then go over here to the reply in the DM. Yeah, just edit the reply. So we can put something like, here's your free project files. It's like something simple. Thank you for your comments. Just have it spaced out so people can read your comment reply. And yeah, and then just tell them, just click the link right here. And then you can also edit the button title. So just put something like click here or tap here, because people won't know that you have to tap the little button below. And yeah, all you have to do is paste your website URL, whatever your Google Drive link, your YouTube video, you want to take them to another website, or you want to take them to your website portfolio even, just put done and then just set live. So the automation is now live. And whenever somebody comments that specific keyword on that video, they're going to be sent this exact reply in their DMs along with the URL that you provided. This is a tool that I have been using for a very long time. And this helps me send all my lead magnets, all my project files, the stuff that I'm giving away for free on my Instagram. And that helps because I don't have to send them to thousands of people, because I do get thousands of comments in my videos. All I have to do is set up the automation and the software automatically does it for you. With all those comments, those videos are going to increase in engagement, and Instagram is going to boost your views because those videos are getting a lot of engagement. This video was a quick introduction to ManyChat, and there's other resources online on how to use the software, and you can even get more complex with it. But for now, let's just keep it simple. And yeah, this is something that you can set up properly. All right, guys, so that was it for the course. And if you have any other questions that maybe I didn't answer within the course, just go ahead and comment under this video and I will answer the question for you.